This video will go over how to adjust the hydrostatic transmission neutral on a SC18H and SC24H. First, park the machine on a flat, level surface. Start the engine and run it at idle. If the machine remains stationary, increase the speed to high idle. If the machine creeps at any point, stop the engine and follow the adjustment procedure. Remove the belt covers and loosen the lock nut shown here. For the initial setting, move the stop so the notches line up with each other, and then tighten the nut and check if the machine creeps. If the machine creeps backwards, move the stop away from the machine. If the machine creeps forward, move the stop towards the machine. When adjusted, tighten the nut. Repeat the test and adjustment steps until the machine remains stationary. Install the belt covers when complete.